morning everyone. My name is Kim Ikat. Our topic for today about estimated position. Estimated position is a navigation term referring to the calculation location of a partial of aircraft based on their known position, speed, course, and the time elapsed. Especially when set place like GPS are unavailable. It's commonly used in maritime and aviation context to approximate position during route without reliable external reference, e.g. signal loss. EP account for factor like with current or drag but remains less versus than a verified lex, well useful for short-term thinking, tracking, PP, accuracy diminishes over the due to cumulative errors. That's for all our topic for today.